The price of the Echelon bike comes in at $5.99, and some of the key features are that it's ultra sleek. It's got these wonderful cage in or clip in pedals. It's super quiet, and it includes a monitor. On to the negative. Sometimes when I'm in a ride, the bike will disconnect from the class. So for me, that's just annoying because either I have to stop my ride and reconnect, or I just pick a new class and start over. Another kind of this particular model is that the monitor, it doesn't move. Yeah, it's on there. There's no left to right, up or down. However, monthly charge after the free year is up, and I think that comes in about $35 a month. Now that the negative is out of the way, on to the pros. This bike is a great price. You know that there's a competitor out there with a much heftier price tag. The classes are fun. If in the past I would attend cycle bar classes, and the classes at cycle bar were about $20 per ride, you can get in on this thing and you can join a live class. In my opinion, it's just as great as going to a cycle bar class or an in-person cycling class. Another pro is my husband uses this as well, so I feel like we're really getting our money's worth because 2 people are using it. Now, this bike is not for you if you don't have the space for it. You know, if you don't have the space and if you're gonna just shove it in the spare bedroom and it's never gonna get used, you have to be honest with yourself. But this bike is for you. I would say if you're money conscious, you don't want to spend the money of going to a drop-in class, or you're limited on your time. For example, I have a 2-year-old, so a lot of the fitness classes, the times don't work for me because even though I work from home, a lot of classes, they're not going on. The only time I could leave to go to a fitness class would be on my lunch break. And for me, a lot of the fitness classes are either in the morning or in the evening. So I absolutely love this bike, and I'm really happy I purchased it because I get off work and I usually just do a 20-minute ride, and I'm telling you, I'm sweating after 20 minutes. I feel like I really got in a good workout. I probably use it 3 times a week, and my husband 3 to 5 times a week.